Hey there, gearheads and tech enthusiasts. It's Opulent Flash, and today we're taking a trip down memory lane to explore the fascinating evolution of car manufacturing. From the roar of the hot rodders to the whisper-quiet hum of electric vehicles, the auto industry has witnessed a revolution in how cars are designed, built, and driven. Join me as we step back in time to the 1950s, an era of chrome, tail fins, and the raw power of American muscle. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find ourselves in a world of automated assembly lines, robots working tirelessly alongside human counterparts, and computers orchestrating every step of the process with precision. The contrast is striking, yet both eras share a common thread, a passion for innovation and a drive to push the boundaries of automotive engineering. So, buckle up as we fire up the time machine and take a first-hand look at how car manufacturing has transformed over the decades. 7. Our first stop takes us back to the heart of the 1950s, a time when Detroit was the undisputed car capital of the world. Picture this: massive factories, humming with activity, where skilled craftsmen, wielding heavy machinery, transformed sheets of steel into automotive icons. The air is thick with the scent of welding fumes, oil, and the sweat of hard work. These were the days when a car was more than just a mode of transportation, it was a symbol of freedom, status, and the American dream. Assembly lines moved at a more deliberate pace, with each worker playing a crucial role in the intricate ballet of car construction. Imagine the camaraderie, the shared sense of pride as these men and women poured their hearts into building machines that would become legends. Hold on tight as we accelerate into the present day, where the roar of engines is now accompanied by the whirring of robots and the glow of computer screens. We've traded the grease-stained floors of yesteryear for the clean, almost clinical environments of modern car factories. Automation has taken center stage, with robotic arms performing tasks that once demanded human muscle, precision, and repetition. But don't think for a second that humans have become obsolete in this high-tech ballet. While robots may handle the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, human expertise is still paramount. Today's car factories are filled with highly skilled technicians, engineers, and programmers who ensure that every aspect of the manufacturing process runs smoothly and efficiently. It's a delicate dance between man and machine, where each plays a crucial role in creating the cars of today and tomorrow. 8. Stepping into a 1950s car factory was an assault on the senses. The air was thick with the smell of hot metal and oil. Light flickered off polished chrome as car bodies moved down the line. Raw materials transformed into symbols of American ingenuity. The factory floor was a maze of workstations. Most work was done by hand, requiring skill and precision. These were trades passed down through generations. As one car moved down the line, another took its place. A synchronized dance of men and machines. The clang of hammers, the hiss of welding torches. Amidst the noise, there was camaraderie. They weren't just building cars, they were building a community. From sheet metal to masterpiece, the body shop's ballet. Our journey begins in the body shop, a cavernous space where raw steel was transformed into the sleek curves of a classic car. Massive presses, operated by teams of skilled workers, would stamp out body panels with incredible force and precision. The air was thick with the smell of hot metal, and the rhythmic clang of the presses echoed through the shop. Once the individual panels were formed, they were passed on to the welders. These craftsmen, their faces obscured by protective masks, would fuse the pieces together with arcs of blinding light. The hiss of the welding torches and the shower of sparks created a mesmerizing, almost dangerous beauty. Each weld had to be perfect, ensuring the structural integrity of the vehicle. From there, the partially assembled bodies moved on to the grinding and sanding stations. Here, workers would smooth out any imperfections, ensuring a flawless finish for the paint to come. The air was filled with a fine dust, and the workers wore masks to protect themselves from the gritty particles. Finally, the bodies were wheeled into massive paint booths, where they were coated in a rainbow of colors. The smell of paint was overpowering, and the workers wore respirators to protect their lungs. The heart of the beast-mating engine and chassis. With the body gleaming, it was time to bring the car to life. In another part of the factory, teams of skilled mechanics worked their magic on the engines and chassis. The roar of engines being tested filled the air, a symphony of horsepower waiting to be unleashed. The chassis, the backbone of the car, was a marvel of engineering. Workers carefully bolted on suspension components, brake lines, and the exhaust system, each part meticulously checked for quality and fit. The clang of wrenches and the whirring of air tools provided a constant soundtrack to their efforts. Meanwhile, other teams assembled the engines. These were the heart of the beast, and they were treated with reverence. Each part, from the pistons to the crankshaft, was carefully inspected and fitted by hand. The rhythmic chug of an engine being turned over for the first time was a sound that resonated with power and potential. Finally, the moment of truth arrived, the mating of engine and chassis. It was a delicate operation, requiring careful alignment and a steady hand. Rolling off the line, a moment of pride. The final stages of assembly were a flurry of activity. Workers installed the car's interior seats, door panels, dashboards, transforming the bare metal shell into a comfortable and stylish cabin. Others fitted the chrome trim, the wheels and the tires, adding the finishing touches that would make each car unique. Finally, the moment everyone had been working towards, the car, complete and gleaming, rolled off the assembly line. It was a moment of immense pride for everyone involved, a testament to their skill, dedication, and teamwork. Each car that rolled off the line represented not just a vehicle, but a piece of the American dream, ready to hit the open road. But this wasn't the end. Before being shipped out to dealerships across the country, each car underwent a rigorous inspection process. Experienced testers put the cars through their paces, checking everything from the engine to the brakes to the lights. Only when a car had passed every test with flying colors was it deemed ready for its proud new owner. The cars built in those 1950s factories weren't just machines, they were rolling works of art, testaments to a time when craftsmanship and pride in one's work reigned supreme. 13. Rise of the machines. Automation takes the wheel. Fast forward a few decades, and we find ourselves in a completely different world. Gone are the deafening clangs of hammers and the constant hiss of welding torches. Instead, we're greeted by a symphony of whirring motors, the soft glow of computer screens, and the almost eerie silence of robots moving with precision and grace. This, my friends, is the modern car factory, a testament to the incredible advancements in automation and technology. The transition from manual labor to automation wasn't overnight. It was a gradual evolution, driven by the need for increased efficiency, improved safety, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The early days saw the introduction of simple automated systems like conveyor belts and mechanical lifters, which eased the burden on human workers and sped up certain tasks. But as technology progressed, so did the level of automation. Computers became more powerful, robots became more sophisticated, and the car factory began to resemble something out of a science fiction film. Today, entire sections of the assembly line are completely automated, with robots performing tasks that were once considered too complex or delicate for machines. Precision and speed. Robots on the assembly line. The heart of the modern car factory is undoubtedly the assembly line, but it's a far cry from the bustling human-powered lines of the past. Today, robots reign supreme, their sleek, articulated arms moving with a speed and precision that would make even the most skilled human worker envious. These aren't your clunky, limited robots of the past. We're talking about highly sophisticated machines equipped with advanced sensors, vision systems, and nimble grippers that allow them to perform a wide range of tasks with incredible accuracy. They can weld seams with laser-like precision, install windshields with delicate care, and even apply adhesive with an artist's touch. The benefits of using robots in car manufacturing are numerous. They can work tirelessly for hours on end without breaks or fatigue, ensuring consistent quality and a much faster production rate. Robots eliminate the risk of human error, leading to fewer defects and a higher standard of craftsmanship. And let's not forget the safety aspect. Robots can handle hazardous tasks like welding and painting without putting human workers at risk. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. Robots also bring a level of precision and repeatability that would be impossible for humans to achieve. The digital brains behind the brawn computers in control. While robots may be the stars of the modern car factory, they're not acting alone. Behind the scenes, a sophisticated network of computers and software orchestrates every movement, every weld, and every step of the manufacturing process. Think of it as the brain of the operation. Sophisticated software programs designed by teams of engineers dictate the robot's every move, ensuring they work together seamlessly and efficiently. Sensors placed throughout the factory constantly feed data back to the control room, allowing engineers to monitor production in real time and make adjustments on the fly. This level of digital control is crucial for ensuring the quality and consistency of modern cars. With so many complex systems and components, even the slightest deviation from the specifications can have a major impact on the final product. Computers allow manufacturers to track every step of the process, identify potential issues before they become major problems, and ensure that every car that rolls off the line meets the highest standards. But it's not just about quality control. Computers also allow for a level of customization and flexibility that was unthinkable in the past. Humans and machines, a new era of collaboration. With all this automation, what role is left for humans in the car factory of the future? While robots handle repetitive tasks, humans are essential. Automation has created a demand for skilled workers. Software engineers write the code that controls the machines. Data analysts interpret factory data. Some tasks still require a human touch. The future is about balancing humans and robots. Comparing working conditions then and now. The contrast between a 1950s car factory and its modern counterpart is like night and day. Factories were tough, demanding environments. Safety regulations were minimal. Today's factories are clean, well-lit, and climate-controlled. Emphasis on worker safety and well-being. Robots handle dangerous tasks. Stringent safety protocols in place, more productive, safer, and comfortable. The nature of work has changed. Focus on skill and precision. Today's employees are skilled technicians and engineers, problem solvers, innovators, and collaborators. The productivity boom, from handcrafted to high output. The shift to automation and robotics has transformed car factories. Productivity has dramatically increased. In the 1950s, building a car was labor-intensive. Today, automation allows factories to produce thousands of vehicles daily. Robots work around the clock with unmatched precision. This has made cars more affordable and accessible. Automation also improves quality and consistency. Every vehicle meets the highest standards. Cars today are more reliable and require less maintenance. The rise of automation in car manufacturing has led to a fundamental shift in the skills required of the workforce. The days of the grease monkey are fading into history. Today's car factories demand workers comfortable with both computers and wrenches. The modern car factory is a high-tech environment. Robotics technicians, software engineers, data analysts are in demand. The future car factory will see humans and machines working together seamlessly. Nothing illustrates the journey of car manufacturing like a collection of classic and modern luxury cars. These vehicles are rolling testaments to the ingenuity and artistry of their eras. Here, a pristine 1957 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, a masterpiece of design and engineering. Now, the 2024 Bugatti Chiron Sport, a pinnacle of modern automotive engineering. Side by side, they highlight the incredible evolution of automotive technology and design. The art of automotive indulgence, from hand-built to high-tech luxury. One of the things that fascinates me most about luxury cars is the way they reflect the values and aspirations of their time. In the past, luxury was all about handcrafted details, opulent materials, and a sense of timeless elegance. Think of the plush leather interiors of a Rolls-Royce Phantom or the intricate wood veneers of a 1930s Duesenberg. Today, while those traditional elements of luxury are still prized, there's a new emphasis on technology, performance, and personalization. Modern luxury cars are packed with cutting-edge features like active suspension systems, heads-up displays, and advanced driver assistance systems. They're designed to be as thrilling to drive as they are comfortable to ride in. But what hasn't changed is the desire for exclusivity and the pursuit of perfection. Luxury car manufacturers go to extraordinary lengths to cater to the discerning tastes of their clientele, offering bespoke customization options that allow buyers to create a vehicle that's truly one of a kind. From hand-painted finishes to personalized embroidery, the only limit is the imagination and perhaps the size of your bank account. Whether it's the timeless elegance of a classic or the cutting-edge technology of a modern supercar, luxury cars continue to capture our imaginations and represent the pinnacle of automotive achievement. The collector's dilemma. Owning classic cars is about preserving history and appreciating automotive artistry. Driving a classic car connects you with a different time. Collectors preserve these vehicles for future generations. The world of cars is evolving with new technologies. There's room for everyone in the automotive world. Innovation and the future of car manufacturing. The journey of car manufacturing has been extraordinary. From the sweat-soaked floors of the 1950s to today's pristine environments, the industry is driven by relentless innovation. The future holds possibilities that seemed like science fiction. Electric vehicles are becoming mainstream. Autonomous driving technology is advancing rapidly. Manufacturing itself continues to evolve. 3D printing and AI are transforming car design and production. Imagine custom-built cars and digitally connected factories. It's an exciting time for car enthusiasts. The cars of tomorrow will be safer, smarter, and more connected. Keeping the automotive dream alive, the passion that fuels this incredible world on wheels. From the engineers who pour their hearts into designing these machines to the skilled workers who bring those designs to life, from the racers who push the limits of speed and performance to the collectors who preserve the legacy of automotive history, it's this shared passion that binds us together. You see it in the eyes of a child gazing in awe at a gleaming sports car, in the grin of a driver pushing a classic muscle car to its limits on a racetrack, in the meticulous care a restorer takes in bringing a vintage automobile back to its former glory. It's a passion that transcends generations, cultures, and backgrounds, a universal language spoken in the roar of engines, the gleam of chrome, and the timeless allure of the open road. And that, my friends, is what makes the world of cars so special. It's a world where dreams take shape in steel and glass, where innovation knows no bounds, and where the pursuit of automotive excellence continues to inspire and amaze us. So keep that passion alive, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep the spirit of the open road burning bright. Until next time, happy motoring.